This episode follows a determined founder who turned a cramped garage into a data-driven commerce platform that linked local artisans with global buyers. Facing cash crunches, the team relied on customer interviews, rapid experiments, and ruthless prioritization to validate what mattered most. They sliced features, pressed on a stubborn supply chain puzzle, and learned to negotiate with suppliers who believed in the vision. A pivotal pivot toward a sustainable packaging strategy and a lean marketing experiment finally unlocked steady growth and a loyal audience. Today, the company empowers makers worldwide while the founder credits grit, mentors, and relentless learning for every milestone.